I had been in a small town in Thailand for the past week, but would start my travels further down south in the country today using public transportation. I'd been staying in a really nice apartment complex not far from the beach and had had a really nice time so far.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I just woke up here not too long ago and I'm also in a hurry. I have to go to the train station here in Hua Hin in Thailand. About 200 kilometers I think south from Bangkok. I've been here for 5 days and it was nice to relax, hang out here and go to the gym. But today I'm starting my travels again. I'll be heading down south and the train is leaving here at 11:15. And I still have to get over to the train station, but it has been kind of hard to find taxis here, so we will see if I make it or not, because this is the only fast train. It will take 3.5 hours. All the other trains will take like 5-6 hours because they stop about 40 times along the way, but this train will stop only 7 times I think. So my bag is packed and I will be heading out. Let's go.
My plan for the day was to head a bit further down south in Thailand along the coast and then try to get on a boat out to one of the islands in the Gulf of Thailand.
So let's go now! Oh, oh. So I'm just passing by the swimming pool here one last time. So nice, the swimming pool was so big. A little bit too shallow, but I did do a flip from this platform over here. I would have probably done some double flips if the pool was deeper. Over there is where I did the flips. Yes.
Just a moment.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry. Hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry. I don't know if we're gonna make it on this train. There's no bus also, I don't know why. There's only one bus going down south from Bangkok, I think all the way down the coast here in Thailand. And that was leaving at 10 in the evening, and then you would arrive to the city that I'm going to at 3 in the morning, but I didn't want to do that, so that's why I'm taking the train instead. 10:55 now and it's quite far over to the train station. If I don't find a taxi then I'm not gonna make it on this train, unfortunately. Here's also a golf course and we have the beach right here also. And in this area it seems like a really nice area. You can stay in like a nice condo for $400 or $500 per month here in Hua Hin, the south part of Hua Hin in Thailand. I'm going to an island called Koh Tao. And to get there you first have to go to a city called Chumpon. Chumpon, and then you take a bus or a boat over there. So I've been walking for probably 7 minutes or so now and the sweat is starting to drip. Oof. So I decided to give this guy 200 to take me into the train station because I'm a bit desperate to make it there on time. It's like $5 or so. I probably won't make it actually because it's already 11:09 and the train is leaving in 6 minutes. Okay, I have arrived to the train station. You have change for this? Thank you for the ride. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Goodbye. Hello. I want to go to Chumphon. Chumphon. Has the train left already? The quick fast train.
12:09.
Sorry? 12:09.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How many hours does it take? 4 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours. I was seeing on the internet that you have a fast train 3 hours.
Oh.
No fast train 3 hours. 12.
Yeah.
400 you said. 400 baht. So the train is leaving now at 12:09 instead. Now I also have 45 minutes to buy some snacks. Hello, how are you? It's a fire truck.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm taking a video of my travels in Thailand. Can I take a photo of this? Fire truck. You're a firefighter. Wow, it's a cool truck. You have food here? Pad Thai.
ไทยมีป่ะ
Pad Thai.
คือผัดซีอิ๊ว
How long does it take?
This shop no ผัดไทย
No Pad Thai. Oh, you have something else, rice maybe.
นี่
7-Eleven was too far away, so I sat down here instead. I got some chicken fried rice and Coca-Cola. So I got the food here now, and one thing I've noticed actually in Thailand is that the portions can be quite small. Like usually after you eat, you're hungry, you have to order maybe 2 dishes or even 3. This is the fried rice chicken here. It looks quite good, but just a bit small. It's really good actually. I really like fried rice chicken. Oh, I just came out of the restaurant and I feel so good. It's like when you've been working out a bit, like I have in the past days. You eat something, it's like you can feel all the nutrients just flowing out in your veins. And it feels really good. 7-Eleven. We're gonna see what kind of snacks we're gonna buy here. Oh, this is the milk I've been getting. This one here, soy milk, very good, very good. Oh, it's so nice and cold in here. The AC is coming with the cold air. Oh. No, it's okay. Goodbye. Hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry. Buy 1 for 2, special price for you. Oh, I think I'm gonna buy some bananas before I go to the train. Can I buy banana? Bananas.
นี่ป้าถุงใต้เนี่ยไม่ใช่ไม่ช่วยป้าเดี๋ยวกำลังเขาบอกไม่ช่วยเอาที่ไหนเอาที่
This
ไหน
one is good.
เอาวิดิบเดี๋ยวเพราะว่าไม่ช่วยป้าไม่ยอมช่วยป้านั่งก็ไปรถตะเกียบเหรอ
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, goodbye. One thing that's annoying is that you still have to wear masks here. So I came into the toilet here, but there's never any toilet paper at the toilets here in Thailand, only an ass shower. Same as India, you have this ass shower there. Hello, hello, hello my friends, welcome to the Hua Hin train station. The train is about to leave here at 12:09. I think it's 12:03 now, so the sweat is dripping, but I'm really excited to be getting on this train and heading out. Oh, I think the train should be arriving here any minute now. It's a bit late. I think it's 12:15 now. So. This is car number 3, supposed to have air conditioning and the toilet. This was the first class train in Thailand. Seat 20. It's cold in here. Oh, thank you. This must be the coldest train I've ever been on. Everybody's having blankets. I think it's about 15 Celsius probably in here, 60 Fahrenheit or so. It's like a fridge. This is the toilet.
It was a nice train ride, but so cold inside. 1 hour later.
I came out of the train finally after 4.5 hours. Chumphon. So my plan was to take the boat to this island called Koh Tao, but there is no boat today, so I have to stay one night in a hotel here in Chumpon. So I'm gonna walk over to a hotel and sleep there one night and then take the boat tomorrow. And also really cold in the train. I had my jacket and a long sleeve shirt and this t-shirt, and I was still cold. Don't know why they kept it so cold. Must have been less than 15 Celsius, like 55 or 60 Fahrenheit. It's 4 times cheaper here than what it was in Bangkok. I've been walking by some restaurants here, and it's like 60 baht, 50 or 60 for a meal. That's like $1.50 or so. Here we have a hotel. It looks pretty decent actually. Marakot. Hello! 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 So I have arrived to this hotel. Quite a good deal, $16 for this hotel here. It's pretty big and looks quite modern, also with AC. And yeah, it seems much cheaper in Thailand when you go a bit out of the touristy places. So I came in here and I sat down for 3 minutes and I'm already a bit restless. What am I gonna do now? That's why I like traveling or like moving somewhere, being on a train. It's like I'm going somewhere. When I'm just still, I just don't know what to do. What should I do? What should I do? Drink some coffee maybe. Milo coffee. Savadi ka. Bona. Oh, Muay Thai.
บอกว่าซึ่งตอนนี้พบเพียงรถมอเตอร์ไซค์3 ล้อพ่วงข้างสำหรับใส่ยาเพิ่มให้ทันทีจริงค่ะ
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ I think there is no other travel vlogger out there on the internet that travels as much as I do and also maintain a good physique like this. I'm gonna reveal all my secrets when I reach 100,000 subscribers.
The next day.
Hello, it's the next morning and I actually decided to continue this video. We're gonna end it once I get to this island. So I think the last boat for today going to the islands is at 1 p.m. and it's 12:05. But I just realized that it's like 30 kilometers down to the boat harbor and that will take about 40 minutes with the car. And I also have to find a taxi or a bus that will take me down there. I don't know why it's so hard to find taxis in Thailand. Except for Bangkok, you can find taxis and tuk-tuks really easily there. But every other city I've been to, it's like you never see a taxi really. I've been going around for like 10 minutes, didn't see a single taxi. Still no taxi. They don't have taxis in Thailand, it seems like. I'm going to Lom Praya.
Lom Praya.
Lom Praya.
Oh, Lom Praya. Yes.
How much would it cost?
How much Lom Praya?
300.
ทีนึงทีเลยเนี่ย 1 2 3 370 baht
320. Okay, my friend, let's go. I'm taking a video with my camera. What's your name? What's your name? You have no name. So I I arrived on time here. This is where the boat goes from. We have a big group of people here waiting for the boat out there. I'm getting some food here while I wait for the boat. And also there are 3 departures. I think it's 5:30 in the morning, 7 in the morning and 1 p.m. And the one at 1 p.m. is 750 baht. It's the most expensive one. The other ones are 500, I think. It's quite nice here. I think I'm gonna start my drone here real quick. Usually you're going in these big catamaran boats, but I think there are not enough people, so that's why the boat was delayed. Now we're going on this small little boat here instead.
I was on my way out to the island of Koh Tao, a really nice island located about a 2-hour boat ride from the mainland of Thailand.
Thank you. Oh, I have arrived. It's quite nice here. I need to go on a 3-minute ride over here, and they said 300 baht. That's like, or no, 400 I think they said. That's like $10. When I was on the mainland, I went on a 35-minute ride for 350, and now it's 3 minutes and they want more.
I paid some guy 100 baht just to drive me 3 minutes along the coast and into the hotel.
So now I have arrived here to Lotus Resort right on the beach. Hello. Oh, it's nice. The beach is right here.
Yes.
Okay. I think I paid $27 per night here. You can stay in also much cheaper places if you want just a basic room, but this was quite nice, $27. Pretty good. And a little bathtub. I'm gonna take a bath later. Wow. The beach also right outside. That's quite nice. So I'm gonna end this video now. It might not have been the best video, just a bunch of traveling on boats and the buses. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video I'm gonna be doing something fun here, relaxing, going snorkeling, just having a good time, eating some good food, hopefully meeting some people also. So see you in the next video.